So hello, this is Fabian from WeNoiseMakers. Today we are going to have a look at firmware update for the PGB-1, the firmware update procedure. If you haven't seen it already, we have a blog post talking about this release. In particular, we want to draw your attention to a little issue that we have with the bootloader, which is not a big issue per se, because if you follow the instruction correctly and basically if the update is not interrupted, everything will be fine. And if there is an issue, you can still recover. You just send us a support request and we'll help you recover the device. But just to make sure, what's important is that the update is not interrupted. So first, use a good quality USB cable for the update. Make sure that your computer is not going to restart, so make sure there's no update going on. If you're on a laptop, make sure you have enough battery, or maybe plug it to the power supply to make sure everything will be okay. But other than that, everything should be fine. And so let's start with the procedure. So first we're going to turn on the device and have a look and see what is the current version that we have. So I'm going to press menu. I'm going to press right until I reach the system info menu, press A to enter. And so here we see that we have version 1.0.1. And on the website, so be sure to check from time to time what version is available. You can also join the Discord server. We will announce any updates over there. But right now we have version 1.1.0 available, which means that we can update. Okay, so I'm gonna press B to go back, and press left once to go over the update mode. Press A to enter, and then I have to confirm, because this is gonna turn off the device and reboot in update mode. Your project file will be saved, and the device will restart. So I'm going to go right and press A. We are now in update mode. And so two things are going to happen. First, you see on the LEDs, there's the two letters U and P to show that the device is indeed in update mode. And if you look at your computer, there's a new USB drive that's visible over here, which is called RPI-RP2, and that's the kind of a fake USB drive that's simulated by the PGB-1, where you can drop your firmware. Before we do the update, something I want to mention as well: the update will not erase or modify your user data. So if you have projects, samples on the device, they will still be there and still be available, and it doesn't change anything. All right, so to do the update, we go to the computer. As you can see here, I already have the latest firmware downloaded here. So it's going to be an .uf2 file. All right, and the naming should be something like WeNoiseMaker PGB-1 firmware, the version. So here we have 1.1.0. It's a release version, and we have the date of the build. All right, so to do the update, it's extremely simple. I just have to drag and drop this file in the USB drive, RPI-RP2, and then that's it. I'm just gonna wait. So we wait until the PGB-1 resets. That's very important. Again, we don't want to interrupt the process, so just wait. Maybe it's gonna take more time than in my case here in the video. But what's important is to not interrupt and just wait for the PGB-1 to restart. Okay, now we can go back to the menu and have a look at the version. And now we see that we have version 1.1.0, and so the update was successful. And that's it for this quick video on the update procedure for the PGB-1. If you're watching this just after the 1.1.0 release, I will also publish a video showing the various changes and the new features on this update. All right, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.